o'clock in the morning, the sun's about to rise. My woman's in my bedroom sleeping, there's no need to fuss or fight. I'm thinking about the things I've done while I'm taking off my time. And I ain't got nothing but a bunch of stuff to hide. Spending all my money, I can't stop to party proud. If I hear you blaming woman, I did my best to play it loud. I'm a 40-hour spender on a 40-hour shift, and I ain't got nothing, just a bunch of stuff to live. Is about to rise, oh, she's rocking through my style. I don't need nobody at home, all I have is to tell lies. I'm happy I was spend them with my smoking SUV.